Good morning, my dear students. Look at here. In the previous class, you studied several problems in parallel lines and transversal. Okay. Now, look at page number 104 in textbook. Okay. That's exercise in that parallel lines and transversal. Look at here. AB is parallel to CD. That's given. AB parallel to CD is given. And EF is perpendicular to AB. Otherwise, FE is perpendicular to CD. FE is perpendicular to CD. Both of them are same. If this is 90, automatically this is 90, this is 90. Okay. This is completed. Look at here. Now the question. Angle GED equal to 126 is given. GED equal to 126. Here it is given 90. The total is 126. Your question is to find AGE. AGE. Are you ready? GED and AGE, both of them are alternate interior angles. So answer is angle AGE equal to angle GED, that's equal to 126 degree. One of the answers is over. Look at here. 1 and 2. They are alternate interior angles. So the first answer, that means answer of the first question is angle AGE equal to angle GED equal to 126. They are alternate interior angles. Number 1 is over. One of the question is over. Next is GEF. GEF. The total is 126. One of the part is 90. So GEF is this one equal to 126 minus 90. Total 126. This angle is 90. Remaining is this one. Is clear? That is 36 degree. Second answer is 36. It's clear. Next, third answer, that is FG. Now, this is 126, this is 36, and FGE is this angle. How can we find that angle? Already you know this is 90 degree means this is also 90 degree. They are linear there. Okay, so clear. Otherwise, it is perpendicular, that's given. So the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. Otherwise, FGE plus FEG, that is 90. So how can we find FGE? That is 90 minus 36. That is 54 degree. Is it clear? That is 4. Next, in the same page, that is 104. That's another question. Look at here. Like this. Here it is given 140. Here it is given 110. Are you ready? Your question is to find angle BCD. Angle BCD, that's the question. Are you ready? Now, there are two ways to find it. You may draw a parallel line here or a parallel line here. Both of them are same. If you draw parallel line here, then also you get your answer. Look at here. Draw a parallel. Put it P. Now, AQ parallel to D. Draw AQ parallel to D. Are you ready? If you draw a line parallel to this passing through C, then also you get your answer. Are you ready? Now your question is to find BCD. This angle is 110 means this is also 110 because, can you say that? They are corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. You studied corresponding angles. Is it over? Now angle EDC equal to QPC. Angle EDC and QPC, both of them are 180. Are you ready? Now how can we find these two angles? They are linear pair. You see the angles? So, angle PBC is 180 minus 140, that's equal to 40 degree. Is it clear? And this one, angle BPC, 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Here it is 40, here it is 70. These two are linear pair. Similarly, that two angles are also linear pair. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degree here. 180 minus 110 is 70 degree here. You see the pair of linear pair angles. And how can we find this angle? That's our question. Angle BCD equal to two angles of a triangle are given. Therefore, in triangle BCD, and triangle BCP, angle BCP is 180 minus one of the angle is 40, one of the angle is 70. You see the picture 40 and 70? That is 180 minus and let's get 110 and your answer is 7. Your answer is 7. You get the idea? Okay. So now it is completed and look at here. There is another way also. Look at here. These are the given angles 140. If you draw a line passing through C and parallel to B, that is P, passing through C and parallel to B. Are you ready? Now, this angle is 140 degree. You see that 140 degree? You studied these are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are supplementary. So, angle BCP equal to 180 minus 140, that's equal to 40. So, this angle is 40. Any doubt? Co-interior angles. Angles on the same side of parallel. Are you ready? Similarly, these two angles are also co-interior. You look at the figure. So, angle DCQ, that is 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. Are you ready? So, angle BCD equal to 180 minus 40 plus 70. You look at the figure. Otherwise, 110, this is also 110. 110 minus 40, that's also 7. These two angles are alternating here. Then also you get 70. Otherwise, 180 minus 40 plus 70, that's also 7. Dada 180. 74, 120. Apollo 70. You get the idea? Okay. Next problem. That's two parallel lines are given and name it as ABCD. And there is a triangle. And the name of the triangle is PQR. And it is given 50 degree. This angle is 127 degree. Are you ready? Your question is to find the angles of the triangle, otherwise X, Y, and Z. We want to find all angles of the triangle. Are you ready? Look at this. This is 121 means this is total is 127. APR and PRD are the shape is like this alternating interior angle. We know that. You remember that. You analyze the shape of that. Then Y, that means angle APR and angle PRD. Both of them are 127. So angle Y is equal to 127 minus 50. That is 77 degree. Here you get 77. Is it clear? Now anybody say what is X? The shape is like this. And they are also alternating interior angles. You see that? So, this angle is 50 is given means this is also 50. APQ equal to PQR. APQ equal to angle PQR, that is equal to 50. They are alternate interior angle. This is 77, this is 50. Okay, 127, 127. Here it is 127 minus 50, 77. This is 50 means this is also 50. Alternate interior. And this one. There is sense. How can we find? There are two ways. Can you say that? That is, these two angles are supplementary. Otherwise, they are linear pair. So, Z is equal to 180 minus 127. Is it clear? You see the figure? 53 degree. That's a final answer. Otherwise, by angle sum property also you complete it. The total, this is a linear pair, this is 127, the remaining part of the linear pair is Z equal to 180 minus 127 equal to 50 degree. Is it clear? You watch carefully the video, then answer it. Remember, once again I am telling very strictly, Okay, it's very important. You watch carefully the video first, then answer it. Okay, okay. All the best. I will see. Give you home assignment later. Okay, and I want that answers tomorrow. Tomorrow, because comparatively the problems are answers are very easy. Problems are also very easy. Get idea? I want that answers tomorrow. All the best.